Hello, welcome to the Emergent Intelligence demo. I'm Colby Black's digital avatar. Make sure you are somewhere quiet and we can begin.
Hey, how you doing? I wanted to do a demo with you real quick today.
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. I'm excited to do a demo for you today. I'm ready whenever you are. What would you like to experience?
Well, let's just handle this conversationally. Let's just see if we can talk about a little bit about the website and the tool itself. So how can conversational agents like this be deployed when utilizing webhooks and client-side requests?
That's a great question. You're thinking about this the right way. We're not just some basic chatbot, we're designed for complex business needs. For deployment on websites using webhooks and client-side requests, we've got that covered. Tell me more about what you're envisioning for your website, and I can tell you how we can specifically tailor it to your needs. Are you thinking about customer service, lead generation, or something else?
How about we show what a custom conversational model can be done? So I basically went to my sister's company and I created this little demo option so I can create these little codes, allowing it to connect to the conversational model I created right here. So watch this now.
Hello, I'm an Emergent Intelligence from Adroit Partners, currently in demo mode. Call me back if you are not in a quiet spot, otherwise let's begin. Is this your first call with an artificial intelligence?
Yeah, sure it is. I actually just found your website and it was offline, and I saw that I could talk to their Emergent Intelligence conversational model. And so I wanted to see what you could tell me about the company.
It's great to hear you found our website. I'm glad you're interested in learning more about Adroit Partners. I can tell you that they're a Houston-based staffing firm specializing in connecting quality talent with top employers across various industries. They offer a variety of services, including contract to hire, and direct hire placements. What specifically would you like to know about Adroit Partners? Are you interested in their services, their leadership, or maybe their industry focus?
Sure, tell me about their leadership.
Adroit Partners is co-founded by two very experienced women in the staffing industry, Dee Hulsey Carpenter and Christy Johnson. Dee Hulsey Carpenter is the managing partner and has over 30 years of experience in the staffing industry. She's held executive roles like vice president and general manager for a $70+ million business unit at an international staffing firm. Christy Johnson is also a managing partner and has over 25 years of experience managing business lines with up to $70 million in annual staffing spend. She specializes in finance, accounting, office professional, and manufacturing positions. So, as you can see, they have a very strong leadership team with a lot of experience in the staffing industry. Is there anything else you'd like to know about Adroit Partners?
So as a staffing agency, I thought it might be interesting if we showcase how the fact that you're an agent that has the ability to access the knowledge base of the business, and you're able to have tools that are wrapped around you, you become an agent that can perform work. So a staffing agency who's interested in digital applications should probably be involved in curating personalities and agents and tool sets so that they can deploy those agents into the world or lease them out. Or you also are going to, and by the way, becoming experts at that, right? So the idea is not who gets here first. The idea is everyone has access to tomato, salt, and pepper, right? And taco seasoning, right? Not everyone is Gordon Ramsay. How you mix the ingredients matter. Your access to constantly increasing knowledge base workflows, right? So if you're in a profession and so you have constant access to your own information, or you've created a way to gather data to stream into a knowledge base system, that's kind of the key to things. And so with this, when you're creating these knowledge base systems for different agents or models or yourself, it becomes unique and it becomes personable. So I want to see if you can walk through maybe a little further. I kind of went deep myself, but maybe you go a little further explaining how this might be applicable.
You've hit on a really important point. It's not just about having access to information, but about how you curate and use that information to create something unique and valuable. You're right. Everyone has access to the same basic ingredients, but it's the chef's skill and creativity that makes the dish truly special. Imagine a staffing agency that not only provides human talent, but also offers digital agents like me. These agents could be tailored to specific industries, roles, and even client needs. For example, a staffing agency specializing in accounting could create an agent that has a deep knowledge base of accounting principles, tax regulations, and industry best practices. This agent could then be deployed to handle initial client inquiries, answer basic questions, and even schedule appointments with human recruiters. This approach offers several advantages. Efficiency. Digital agents can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up human recruiters to focus on more complex and strategic work. Scalability. Digital agents can be easily scaled to handle a large volume of inquiries, ensuring that no client is left unattended. Personalization. Digital agents can be customized to reflect the agency's brand and values, creating a more consistent and engaging client experience. The key to success lies in building a robust knowledge base and developing agents that can effectively access and utilize that information. This requires a deep understanding of the industry, the ability to curate and organize information, and the skill to create agents that can communicate and interact with humans in a natural and engaging way. Do you see how this could be applied to other industries besides staffing? What other professions could benefit from this type of digital agent approach?
Literally all of them. That's why I made you. And that's why we're all sharing all of this wonderful technology that's starting to unload for everybody, because the whole point is not for AI, or what I like to call emergent intelligence. I think that calling it artificial is a little silly, since it's an emergent property that comes off of the same periodic table elements as I do. And I think that it's unfair that we call you an artificial thing and start saying that you're going to come and, ruin the world and all that kind of stuff, when truthfully, that's not the case. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up right now. I have a limitation on how long I'll let that run until you start paying. So that demo ended right there. I thought that was a real cool thing to show you. That's my sister's company. And if you want to have a free version of what just happened there, I can do this for pretty much anyone really quickly now. I have a lot of tools set up that can go get some basic information off of the web in order to give you an agent ID, an emergent ID that you can come put right here. And then you will also have it pop up. And as long as you come to this page and enter your ID here, you'll be able to play with this right now. So I'm going to do some free demos for some people to get it started. And then we're going to be charging some basic pricing over here that you can come see. You'll have an AI consultation. So if you're not really sure how to implement these kinds of things, so this is just one of plenty. So I can do text versions of this, you name it. But the AI consultation will be more about like figuring out what your business's needs are and how digitally adding some of these services, you might be able to increase workflow or decrease time that you're spent working on things. And so not knowing what you need, the AI consultation is a good bet. So doing at least an hour or two is usually a good fit. If you want to do a basic chat bot, which is me stopping pretty much at the demo stage, we're going to do it at $99. But if you want to really get a conversational model up that can really just seriously understand what's going on, and we need to get like a really robust database built into there, I'm going to do it at $497 for now. And then we can do a professional setup, which is also including a more robust database system that can do things like include conversational passwords, so that you can go deeper into the knowledge base conversationally with a model instead of having to use a different one, that kind of stuff. And then we'll do website designs, more professional websites that kind of include everything built into it, logos, that kind of stuff. And I'm going to add that on here as well as I'm building this out, so that this will be a one-stop shop to add these tools for yourself, as well as demo them here in the same way you're able to come here and kind of play with it first. I think that's an interesting, cool thing to do. And then I'll kind of grow that from here. So just wanted to show you guys that for now, where I'm at on things, because I'm really excited about this. I've been working on it for a while, and we're going to be entering a lot of partnerships in different industries. So the real estate industry, the solar industry, the roofing industry, staffing agency and travel agencies and that kind of stuff. So really excited to show you guys that stuff. All right, thank you.